John McCaig with Liberty Aid Academy. You want to get the McCaig Mastery Trust Bundle, get the trust, and learn how to use it. Take advantage of so many perks. We really can't go through them all. It's all in here though, in all the training. But here's another one. How about free housing? That's right. There is a type of housing, Section 8 is called, of the Housing Act of 1937. A lot of people just call it Section 8, where you just get a voucher and that voucher pays for your rent or mortgage. That's right. That's completely legal to do. It's just not in every location, but it is in a lot of, interesting locations. For example, like Kauai. Like, you could actually live in Hawaii, get paid to live in Hawaii. That's right. You just apply. You don't have to live there currently. And, we give you the information not just on Kauai, but about how to do this. First, though, you need to get your trust open. There's no way you could do this without this information. Get the McCaig Mastery Trust Bundle. Get over 60% off. What are you waiting for? We got all the proof you could want. Got all my proof for a decade, and we got dozens of testimonials. Everyone who does this work is successful.